Hello children, welcome back to your English learning platform. Hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is adjectives. Worksheet number 26, activities 1 and 2. After these activities, you will be able to frame sentences using adjectives. Children, before moving to the activities, be ready with your worksheet number 26, a pencil and an eraser. Are you ready, kids? Yes, let's begin our topic, adjectives. Adjectives are words that tell what something looks like, smells like, tastes like, feels like, or sounds like. They are describing words. Children, there are different types of adjectives. Today, we are going to learn about 3 of them. The first one is adjective of quality. It speaks about the quality of something or someone. For example, the teacher was dressed in torn clothes. Here, torn is the adjective. The second one is adjective of quantity. It speaks about the quantity of something. For example, Birbal poured some honey in a spoon. In this sentence, some is the adjective. And the last one is adjective of number. It speaks about the number. For example, a teacher and his 2 students came to Akbar's court. Here, 2 is an adjective. Children, I hope you have understood about these 3 types of adjectives. Let us understand more about it by doing the activities. Let's begin with our first activity, that is, circle the adjectives in each sentence. 2 have been done for you. The first sentence, my dog has a cute dog house. Children, can you identify the adjective in this sentence? Yes, it is cute. Second one, the ministers asked him 4 questions. Children, can you guess the adjective in this sentence? Yes, it is 4. Children, in the same way, you have to identify the adjectives in the sentences and circle them. Let's now move to our second activity. That is, choose the correct adjectives from the box and fill in each blank. Children, here you are given the adjectives in a box. You have to choose the appropriate adjective for each sentence and fill in each blank. For example, the elephants have dash ears. Children, can you guess the adjective here? Yes, it is long. The elephants have long ears. The sun is shining dash in the sky. Can you guess the answer? Yes, it is bright. The sun is shining bright in the sky. Zebras have dark skin. Do you know the answer, kids? It is striped. Zebras have striped skin. The dog is thinking about the dashboard. Do you know the answer? Yes, it is a red bond. The dog is thinking about the red bond. Children, in the same way, you need to identify the appropriate adjective and fill in the blanks. Children, it's time for your homework. Your homework is to complete activities 1 and 2 in worksheet number 26. Thank you, children. See you soon.